So this is a Samuel Joseph multifunction watch, and this is how to set up all the super functions on the watch. The mode button here is key to all of the different menus. So press mode 3 times and you are into setting up the time on the digital display. So we're scrolling through the various options here, and with the time you've got 24-hour clock there, which is where it says H in the lower display, and then AM and PM. So you can either set it up for AM, PM, which we're going to do now, or for 24 hours by keep on scrolling through. See PM there, and then it will go to 24 hours. So we're now at 11:14. 11:14. When I'm happy with that, I press reset, move it to the days. That is the 5th of the 4th. And again, move it through. As you can see, we go all the way through. Hold it down, you can go through quickly and get it back to the 5th of the 4th. Then the day of the week is the final option there, and you can see we go through. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and go back to Friday, which it is. Press mode, and you are all done, all set up for your digital display. And of course you can have 2 time zones with that, which is really handy as well. Now for the stopwatch function, you just press mode once and you've got the start stop on the stopwatch, start and stop, reset here. And then for the alarm, so you press mode once, twice. That is now your alarm setup. So it's currently 11, let's say, make it 11:17. I'm happy with that. Press mode. To put alarm on and off, press so start, stop and reset button together. Alarm is off, alarm is on. At the top here, you've got a light display, which won't really show you here, but you press that, you get the light button. Now look at that, the alarm's working. To turn it off, just press the start stop button and it's stopped. Well, I hope you enjoy your Samuel Joseph watch. I'll put the details under the video, so if any of that was confusing, you've got another way of researching how to use this watch. Thank you for watching.